Hello viewers, welcome to my channel TechPech. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn on Caps Lock sound indicator in Windows 10. So let's start. First come to the Windows search bar and type here settings. Click on settings. Then click Yes of access. In the left side, scroll down and click keyboard. Here you can see play a sound whenever you press caps lock, num lock or scroll lock. Turn it on. Now press caps lock from your keyboard. You will listen a sound like this. Now press num lock from your keyboard. You will listen a sound like this. This is the caps lock sound indicator. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like, write a comment and don't forget to subscribe this channel. After subscribe this channel, give a kick in the bell icon.